Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the physical chain. Plug your guitar into the interface's instrument jack with a 1/4 cable, then connect the interface to your Mac. Once done, install any required drivers and set the interface sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz so latency stays low. Now open GarageBand and create a new project, add an audio track, and select the interface input. Make sure input monitoring is on, so you hear the guitar through GarageBand immediately. Next, you pick an amp model. Open Amp Designer or use a Smart Controls preset and choose a type that matches your desired tone. While you play, watch GarageBand's input meters and lower or raise the interface gain until peaks sit near -6 dB to preserve headroom. If you see clipping, engage a pad on the interface. Once levels are good, enable low latency mode and set your audio buffer to 64 or 128 samples so monitoring stays tight for performance. Now you record. Arm the track, hit record, and play a short take to confirm tone and timing. After recording, tweak amp EQ, drive, and effects. Small changes can solve muddiness or harshness. If you notice latency, make sure low latency mode is on, increase the buffer slightly, or use your interface's direct monitoring to bypass software delay. If you get hum or noise, check grounding and cable quality, and try connecting the interface directly to your Mac instead of through hubs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.